How to fix the error that says we can't send a code at the moment. Please try again later on your Facebook. Hi guys, welcome back to our channel. In this video tutorial, we'll be discussing about fixing the error that says that the Facebook cannot send a code at the moment. Please try again later. So now let's go ahead and try solving this problem. So first of all, you have to make sure that the Facebook application or the Facebook Lite or the Messenger application has been installed in your mobile device and it's updated to the latest version available. To check that, go ahead and open the Play Store application on your device. Then click on the search button in the bottom right corner of the screen and now search for Messenger. And here, if you see an update button instead of open button, simply tap on it and update it to the latest version available. Go ahead and search for Facebook. And also if you see an update button, simply tap on it and update it to the latest version available. Now go to the system settings, scroll down and go to apps. From here, simply search for Facebook application first. Click on it and scroll down and go to storage. Then click on clear cache and also click on clear data, but also make sure that this includes all the data, files and settings which will be permanently deleted from the device. So you have to be very careful about this. Now go back and uninstall all these applications, Facebook and Messenger. And once you uninstall it, go back, open Play Store and install it from here. So I hope that these methods work and help you. And if you found this guide helpful, please consider leaving a like and subscribing to our channel. Thank you for watching. See you in the next one. So I hope that these methods work and help you. And if you found this